Medioh is basically a middleware platform for the broadband. We aggregate all the videos on the web and enable users to access the videos from the web using consumer electronics devices. So a good example is if you have a broadband network TV, you could potentially use our software to access the videos that are on the web using your network TV. The company's been around for the last couple of years, but more recently we've developed Scott and the team built a company called Clickcaster, where that focus was building a podcasting platform, realizing that there was going to be a lot of individuals and semi-professional, professional producers of content that would basically publish content for anyone to subscribe to. So what was amazing about the Clickcaster podcasting platform was that all the components that were there for publishing videos as well as aggregating videos on the internet were already available on Clickcaster. And so what we've done is we repurposed the technology for specifically for the video experience. We have basically servers on the internet that's going out there and having these things called Medioh bots that are scouring the internet, and we're just checking each website with if it's got an RSS video available on that website. We'll go out and index it, and what we'll do is we'll figure out find the ability to find the source of the video, and the ability to collect the metadata associated with that video as well. Metadata meaning things like, you know, what type of content is it? Is it sports? Is it food type of, and all the descriptions associated with that video, tags, keywords, and we can also identify the videos, the type of video, whether it's an H.264 video that can be played on a consumer electronics device that has an H.264 decoder on it, or we can tell whether it's just a low bit rate versus a high bit rate, whether it's a standard definition content or it's a high definition content, and we basically collect all this information on a centralized directory, and we have a library of where all these videos are. So anyone that's having access to our software, we can offer that to consumer electronics companies or even individual developers who can access our APIs, or we can work in partnership with consumer electronics companies and design or build an application on their devices on their behalf, so that those devices have the ability to read our video library directory to search and discover content and customize the video viewing experience of all the videos that are available out on the web. So far what we've done is we've indexed about approximately 4.7 million videos today, and largely we've been focused on the high quality content like the videos H.264 video formats, largely because we think that again, it's more device friendly. I want to travel to Italy, and I can type in Italy, and the results that you'll get is what we're looking at is all the metadata associated with all the videos that we've indexed, and so anything that has to do with Italy, it'll pop up. What we've also done is we've categorized the type of videos based on movies, shows, clips, and whatever might be new, only because we found that users, when they're searching for videos, they have some sense of level of expectations with respect to the video results that they get. So if they're looking for just movies, they don't want to see any videos results that are just video clips. We've categorized that, and so if you want to just narrow it down to the movies, based on the length of the feature, whatever that video is, we've been able to narrow it down to say, yeah, these are your movies. But also what we found is that unless you know exactly what you're looking for, users have a tendency to need an aid or guidance to discover other videos that are available. So for example, let's just say I watched Master and Commander the other day, and that's exactly what I want to watch. So I can plug in Master and Master of Commander. Obviously, I've already done that search. And on the top of the result, I see the movie that's been published by Hulu. and I can now watch a full-length feature film, Master and Commander. And so another cool thing about the RSS standard is that you can subscribe to it. So this movie is, we're taking the source of this video from Hulu. Hulu has some of the movies as well as TV shows online for free. It's an ad sponsor. And so we can also, I've already subscribed to it, as you can see that and based on the subscription, any video that they publish related to Master and Commander, it'll be available to me when I do my search or if I decide to subscribe to it. These videos down here are basically videos that are related. So users that are watching Hulu videos, they may also be watching these other videos. So it's kind of a social phenomenon where I can start watching videos that may have be of an interest, largely because I'm interested in this video. And another thing that we haven't enabled on this feature yet, on this demo, is we are building a personalized recommendation so that if you watch this video, it's kind of like the Amazon and the Netflix of the world. If you like this video and you've watched that video, then you'll also like this video. As you can tell, I've been a heavy user of this Medioh TV, and these are all the different subscription channels of all the RSS feeds. These are all these different channels, and what's interesting about these videos is that I found that when you're searching for videos on the web, that there's a lot of different really niche videos. Mm-hmm. There's also a lot of infotainment. So for example, I'm very interested in the video industry with respect to the internet. Mm-hmm. And so the type of things that I'm very interested in is things like cross-platform video panel. And that was kind of interesting because it was talking about videos that are on all the video publishers trying to figure out how to monetize video publications on the internet. So this is a reference design of a set-top box, which we're working with a third-party set-top box manufacturer. And basically it's got an 80 gig hard drive in it, and it also has a DaVinci chip video decoder in it. So it can enable video streaming of the H.264 videos that we were discussing earlier. And what's really intriguing about this set-top box is that the third party that we're working with is aiming to retail this product for $99. So what we've done is built the Medioh application on this device so that users that own the set-top boxes can access the Medioh search and discovery application and all the web videos using a set-top box.